Pivesta, Le Formidable, Vivaldi and El Caro. A black beauty by KWPN stallion champion Le Formidable. Pivesta stands out with her charming long leg model and appearance, combined with a fantastic posture and a lot of suppleness in movement. In many ways, Pivesta is similar to her well-known sire Le Formidable, the convincing champion of the KWPN Stallion Show in 2019. Dame Pivesta MH performed excellent at the KWPN mare shows and tests, and is a half-sister of the small tour dressage horse Grenoble MH. Pivesta's dam line produced many other successful dressage horses, including Evaldi L, Alvesto van Weltevrede, Baccarat van Weltevrede, Juliana B, Faro and Romans.